Do you have this coin? Well, it sold for $510, and in this video, I will tell you exactly why it sold for so much money and what you need to keep your eyes peeled for on these 2023 quarters that are selling for a ton of money online. So this is a 2023 D Bessie Coleman American Woman quarter. Now, what's interesting about these brand new quarters is the fact that the US Mint is producing tons of them, and that in turn is causing a huge issue with the quality of these coins. The US Mint is producing a lot of errors, and this one, the title says error on the airplane. So let's look closely at this airplane. If I'm being 100% honest, I do not see any error on this coin. Now, typically people will get confused and think that their coin is an error when in reality it is simply damaged. A lot of the time errors will come up towards you and damage will go down inwards of the coin, if that makes sense. If you strike a coin with a hard or sharp object, the damage will go into the coin, but if there's an error, errors a lot of the time are raised above the surface and will come towards you. This one also has 42 bids, and a lot of the bids seem a bit sketchy. I would be very cautious when buying something like this online. This is not financial advice, but I do advise against buying something like this unless you simply love the coin. Again, I think this coin is worth no more than 25 cents personally, but there are some coins out there with errors that are worth hundreds of dollars. So keep your eyes peeled for any sort of error on your coin because it could be worth a ton of money. Hopefully no one got scammed on this one that sold for $510.